Why do we sort data in Excel? For the same reason we sort anything else in life: to arrange, organize, or classify into groups. In Excel, it's an important part of data analysis. But how do we sort in Excel? Well, that's a question with many answers. Let's start with the most common sorting techniques. First, let's do a quick sort. Let's say you had this list of animals at a wildlife zoo and wanted to sort alphabetically by continent of origin. That's column D. We'd just go to the Data tab and click anywhere in column D, then click on this A to Z icon. Now all the animals are sorted from A to Z based on their continent of origin. This same option is available on the Home tab from this Sort and Filter drop-down menu. Of course, we can sort by numbers too. And clicking on the Z to A icon sorts our list in the reverse order. Now we can see all the animals by the number in their inventory from largest to smallest. We can also sort by dates and times in the same way. Click on a cell in column F, and the A to Z sort icon will tell us which animals are due for feeding in date order, from first to last. Of course, all this is pretty easy and behaves the way we expect because we made it easy for Excel. But what if what we wanted to do was less obvious? Like maybe Excel wasn't sure which row contained our headers. If we just clicked A to Z here, let's see what happens. The column headings ended up being sorted with our data because Excel was confused by the additional title in row 1. So we should sort this data by manually selecting the range to be sorted. Let's Ctrl Z to undo. We want this range sorted, and we should click on the sort icon to customize our sort instead. We make sure that the box that says My Data Has Headers is checked, and we select the column that we want to sort our list by. Let's sort by Next Feeding Due, and we can sort by cell values, cell color, font color, or conditional formatting icon. Of course, we're sorting by cell values here, and our sorting order will be oldest to newest date. And first on our list are the animals that are next due to be fed. Another solution to that extra title row would be to just insert a blank row between rows 1 and 2 so that Excel knows what data should be sorted. But sometimes sorting by one category isn't enough. See, right here we do have all the feeding times together, but wouldn't it be better to see all the animals in the same enclosures together if they're supposed to be fed at the same time? So the Komodo dragon and the eastern brown snake should be fed at the same time, and their enclosures are close to each other. So we'd like to see them together. Let's do a multi-level sorting. We should select our data set, click on the sort icon, and everything remains the way we selected it last time, but we need to add one more level of sorting. We click Add Level. Since our priority is to sort in date order, that category will be sorted first. But when we add a level, we want to include the enclosure location so that all the animals to be fed at a particular time will be further grouped by their location on property. An alphabetical list is perfect, so we hit OK. Now we can see that these animals, which should be fed at 5 p.m., are in the same enclosure, and so are these. Now we have a list that's sorted by continent of origin, and that's great. But this is still basically just an alphabetical list. Maybe we want the Americas together instead of being separated by another continent just because of the order of their letters. So we can create a custom list. We'll still be sorting by continent, but we'll create our own sorting order. Let's highlight our data set and click on our sort icon. In our sort order, we can create a custom list and type the way we want our data to be sorted. Here, we'll type the names of the continents of origin in the order that we want them to appear. When we click Add, this custom list appears and will become an option once we hit OK. So now we can do a sort in the order that we typed or in the reverse order. Let's click on the order that we typed, hit OK, and now we have our list sorted with the Americas together. Lists can even be sorted from left to right by clicking on Options within the Sort dialog box. Let's do that now. We highlight our dataset, click on the Sort icon, and go to the Options button. Select the orientation as left to right and hit OK. Then we select what row number we're sorting by. Here, let's sort by the total number of animals from each continent. That's row 3. And we want that list from largest to smallest. We hit OK, and now we have our list sorted from left to right. Now you know how to sort in Excel. This helps us to organize and simplify your data, which is the first step to data analysis. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GoSkills.com.
Ready to learn more about Microsoft Excel? Then check out the full course on GoSkills.com. Click the link in the description.